Our topic is Taiwanese AFL freshmen's perception of the VC-based English conversation activity for hometown introduction. And my name is Judy. And this is our agenda. And first part is introduction. And this is our research background. And next is our motivation. And next is our research purpose is to explore the perspectives of 61 Taiwanese AFL freshmen on the VC-based English conversation activity for hometown introduction. And the question is, how did the course in terms of English language acquisition and place-based learning? The English language acquisition has about 4 skills: grammar proficiency and vocabulary knowledge. And the place-based learning has included Taiwanese cities, counties, or hometowns, being a good citizen, person-nature relationship, and person-community relationship. And the multimodality means the use of 2 representational ways or more within a specific group who may create meaning of ideas and interact with one another. And the place-based learning is a learning process by which students learn about place, increase their person-community and person-nature relationships, and develop citizenship. And then next we give to Joy.
I'm Joyce. I'm going to talk about physiology. In this study, we recruit this is one freshman from the Department of Applied Foreign Language of University of Science and Technology in South Central Taiwan. As you can see from the table, the first gender distribution is as follows. There were 15 males, 45 female, and 1 participant who identified as others. According to English proficiency, 15 participants has TOEIC score 700 or higher. The majority, 46 students, scores below 700, and 3 students have not yet taken the TOEIC exam. And this is the nature of the course. Our course helps students improve their English skills, foster cultural and critical thinking, build peer cooperation, enhance technology use, and expand knowledge of tourism cultures. And this table shows the procedures of the course activity from week 1 to 18. Students use the virtual character to practice the English conversation. And students and their partners were required to complete the script of VC-based English conversation for hometown introduction as their final exam. And our questionnaire divided into 4 parts. The first part is participant demography, covering aspects such as gender and English proficiency. The second part is related to English acquisition. The third part is related to PBL. And the 4th part is a section dedicated to for free-form comments. And our questionnaire itself is on a 6-point Likert scale, avoiding any central tendency errors. And let's pass the microphone to Sophie.
This session presents the results from 3 perspectives: the entire groups of participants, gender different, and English proficiency level. First, looking at all participants, more than 75% agree that the course activity can improve their speaking ability, while for PBL, nearly 82% of participants report that they learned about Taiwanese city, culture, and hometowns. Next, regarding gender, the average for English acquisitions was about 15% for male and 66% for females. However, for PBL, the both group had almost same attitudes around 65%. Finally, when comparing English proficiency level, the average for toilets across greater than or equal to 700 is about 56%, while below 700 was close to 69%. For PBL, the both groups had almost similar attitudes, about 66% and 67%. Next one is for Mandy.
Mandy, now I make a conclusion for you. Looking at the table, the results show that the course activity was generally effective in enhancing students' English proficiency, especially in speaking and listening skills. Regarding English proficiency level, students with a TOEIC score below 700 experienced great improvement in reading, while those scoring 700 or above showed more gains in speaking. Nonetheless, both gender and English proficiency groups share similar attitude toward the class-based learning, especially in learning about local food. Despite these findings, there are limitations to consider. The sample was relatively small and limited to freshmen from a single institution, which may affect the generalized ability of the results. Future study could use more diverse samples and use methods such as interviews, while PBL enhances students' local identity and social responsibility. The perceived benefit may vary based on English proficiency. To improve student focus during class, it is important to implement teaching activities that promote active engagement, such as gamification or speed dating, ultimately contributing to greater success in various perspectives, such as English language acquisition and class-based learning. Thank you.